Hey guys, so I'm a mum of two. I've got two kids, two dogs. I'm busy, and although I love makeup and I particularly love full face glam, sometimes time isn't on my side and that doesn't always happen. So I like to have little products in my arsenal that I can grab, that I know that I can use, that are multi-use, that are going to go on quickly and easy, last all day and make me feel a little bit more pulled together and confident. One of my favourites is using a blush, but in different places on my face. This is Serene Blush. It's so pretty. It's got an almost like a goldy kind of rose gold highlight built in, and I love it. So I'm going to show you how I use this in a number of places and how quick it is to use. First things first, I'm going to use it as a blush. I'm going to just take my angled blush brush and just apply some to the apples of my cheeks here and then blend it up. I love blush. I always keep mine quite high on my face. So I aim for the apples of my cheeks and blend upwards. It adds such a healthy glow, and with this kind of built-in highlight, I don't know if it's picking up with the light, it gives a little subtle kind of iridescent sheen that makes my skin look kind of dewy and healthy and glowy. Love, love, love it. So I just pop some of that on the apples of my cheeks and blend it up, and it immediately makes me look more awake and happier. The next thing I love to do is just wear this on my eyes. So I'm going to just take a fluffy crease brush, pick up some product, and I'm just going to fluff this all over my eyelid. Literally takes 2 seconds. I'm covering my whole eyelid and then fluffing it gently and blending it as I go into the crease and slightly up, like so. Look at that pretty pink colour. And then I'm going to take a tiny little bit underneath my lower lash line. Then I'm going to finish off with maybe a little quick swipe of brown eyeliner and mascara, and my eyes are done. The last thing I like to use it for is on my lips. I love a bit of matchy-matchy. I don't know if that's acceptable or cool or whatever, but when you're my age, it doesn't really matter. Let's be fair. I just take some of the pressed blush on my fingertip and just pop it on my lips, like so. So pretty, so quick. And then I'm going to top it with a tiny little bit of lip gloss. So pop it on. Get your favourite, I'm just going to use a clear gloss. Get your favourite gloss. Pop some of that on top. And there you go. So that's the finished look. I've got my favourite blush on my eyes, my cheeks and on my lips, topped with a little bit of gloss. Because it's the same shade, it's the same product, it all works. I love how it kind of complements and kind of ties together. And in a flash, I've given myself a look that makes me feel so much more confident and makes me look like I've made a major effort when actually it took seconds. Love that. Particularly love it if you are traveling or you do your makeup on the go and you need to keep your makeup bag and your cosmetics light and simple. Go for a product that you can use in a number of ways. It saves you money and time. Love it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and I will see you soon. Take care, guys.